My dear students, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. I think you are all by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am fine also. This is Mujibullah Patwari, Assistant Teacher, English, Sotogram Secondary Pilot Girls School. I shall discuss about voice changing. Today's topic is voice changing. Okay? Look at the whiteboard. We can do. Here I write, I eat rice. Look at the whiteboard. I eat rice. First of all, you should take object rice. Then if it is present indefinite tense, you should take auxiliary verb am, is, are. It will be execution of subject. Then I write here eaten. Verb will be past participle eaten. Then I write by, and after that subject will be object form me. I will be me, object group, object from. Okay, I think you understand about the sentence. Changing voice. I will write another sentence. He eats rice. He eats rice. What will be the correct answer? I think you will know. You match with me. What the correct answer? Rice is eaten by what will be object here of he? You know, he will him. He will be him. He object of him. Okay, I think you know. I write another sentence. We play football. What will be the correct answer? I think you know the correct answer. So you match with me, or you correction with me. Look, football is played. Play will be played. Past participle will be past participle. Played. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. Football is played by subject. What will be some object of we? You know, if you get we, so we will turn it us. We will be object us. I think you know the present indefinite of boys. You know the voice indefinite of boys. You can see here again. I eat rice. What the correct answer? Rice is eaten by me. He eats rice. Rice is eaten by him. We play football. What the correct answer? Football is played by us. I think you know or you understand about present indefinite tense of boys. Okay, we can go another tense. We can go another tense. Look what I write here. I am eating rice. What's the correct answer? Who can give the correct answer? Oh, I know. You will know. The correct answer. Please write with me. First of all, you should rice. Rice is object. Object will be right here. First, rice being eaten. Eaten by me. If it is present continuous tense, here we will write being, or we can say in will be being. Understand? I think all of you understand. Okay, I can write another sentence. Fish. He is catching fish. He is catching fish. What's the correct answer? You know. First of all, we should write object. What is object? Rice. Rice. Sorry. Fish. Fish will be subject. Fish is being caught. Fish is being caught by him. Do you understand? I think you are understand answer of this answer. Okay, we can play. We can write another sentence. Mother is cooking. Mother is cooking rice. I think you know the correct answer. You can match with me, or you can write your hand note for the answer. First, you can write object. What is object? Rice will be rice here object. So it will be subject here. Rice is being cooked. Cooked by mother. Cooked. Rice is being cooked by mother. I think you have understood the answer of the voice changing. This is the present continuous tense of voice changing. Okay, we can go another voice changing. It will be past perfect tense. I have caught fish. What will be correct answer? Who can know? I think all of you know the correct answer. Okay, you can write with me, or you can write the correct answer on your hand note. Okay, dear students, what will be subject? Subject will be fish. Fish has been caught. Fish has been caught by me. Fish has been caught by me. I think you all understand. You will understand the correct answer. Do you know here why I write here been? If sentence present perfect tense, so we should take or write here been. If in sentence past perfect tense, it will be been here. What's the correct answer? Fish has been caught by me. I think you understand. Okay, we can go another sentence. They have played. They have played football. They have played football. In the sentence, what is the object? Object you know? Can you find out? Oh, I think you know. Football. Football is object. Football is object. So first we should write object will be subject. Object will be subject. Football. Football has been played. What will be object? What's the object of the object will be them. Their object them. You know? Do you understand? I think you understand. I reply again. Football has been played. Oh, sorry, I am extremely sorry. By them. Football has been played by them. Do you understand? We can go another sentence. He has eaten rice. I think you will know the correct answer. You will know the correct answer. So write your answer on your handnote. Rice has been eaten by him. Rice has been eaten by him. Do you understand? I think all of you understand about voice changing. Who shall go another tense? Dear learners, I shall go another tense. Now look at the whiteboard. I ate rice. Do you guess what is the tense? What is the tense? I think you know the tense is past indefinite tense. If it is past indefinite tense, you should take auxiliary part was, where. From first of we should write here subject. What will be subject? Subject will be rice. Rice was eaten. Rice was eaten by me. Rice was eaten by me. Do you understand? If I say again for you better understand, look at this is past indefinite tense. If it is past indefinite tense, you should take auxiliary part was, where. First of all, you should write subject. What will be subject? Rice. Object will be subject. Object here, object, rice. Rice will be subject. Rice was eaten by me. I think you understand. Okay, I can write another sentence. He wrote a letter. You know, you guess what will be subject? Oh, you know what will be subject? A letter. A letter. L-E-T-T. Yeah, a letter was written. A letter was written by him. I think you have written the correct answer on your hand note and you understand. Okay, we can write another sentence. She cooked rice. Here also it is passive in the tense. These are also passive in the tense. What will be subject? Rice. Rice was cooked. Rice was cooked by her. My dear students, dear learners, I think you know the changing of voice changing. Do you feel any difficulty? You can ask me. I think you know the voice changing, and if you difficult anything or any topic, I shall discuss another class. So I will take another class, and you keep oil by the grace of Allah. This is the end of the class. Thank you. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum.